Hey there, loves. Happy Vlogmas day one. I'm actually going to be attempting to do Vlogmas this year. This is my first time. So you guys wish me luck and I hope you guys enjoy. I don't know if I'm going to post for the full 25 days of December. I may do it from Monday to Friday. Sorry if you guys can hear that noise in the background. I may do it from Monday to Friday, but my goal is to vlog every single day for the full 25 days of December. In today's video, we're going to be attempting to recreate my mood board that I posted months ago on my community tab. I'll put it up here if you guys don't remember. It was months ago. Like, I wanted to get this done from maybe last year, and I have yet to start it. So we're going to be starting that today. The day is gloomy, so I hope the lighting is okay. It literally is dark outside and extremely cold. That's why I'm dressed like this, and also gotta be covered because we don't need no paint getting in the hair, and we gotta put on clothes that's, okay with getting messed up. So we're gonna get this started. I'm gonna turn you guys around and we're gonna start working on this. Yes, this is actually going to be real. And because we have less than 2 weeks before Thanksgiving, I need to get this done because after Thanksgiving, you guys know the tree goes up. Okay, that is no question. The tree goes up and we start decorating the house, and I have a vision on how I want my TV wall area to look. So we need to start working on that. So let's go and start. I procrastinated long enough. Let's start. Do you guys love Hawaii 5-0? I love Hawaii 5-0. Anyways, we're going to start by moving everything out of the way because I need to get to that wall back there. As you guys can see, the house doesn't look bad, but it just doesn't look the way I want it to look. No shade to my babe. But I want it to look a little bit like what I would enjoy living in, and that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to create a space that I would actually enjoy living in. So I'm just going to start by cleaning down the wall. It does have a little bit of dust on it, or cobwebs, or whatever that is. We're just going to get rid of that, and then I'm going to start lining my wall the old-fashioned way. I wish I had one of those laser line projector thingies, or whatever it's called, but unfortunately I don't. So we're going to be doing this the old-fashioned way with a level ruler. Yes, ma'am, with a level ruler. It got the job done. And I had to use a ruler because my wall is slanted, and if I didn't use this ruler, I'm sure this would not have been straight, because when I stepped back after putting the tape on the wall and looked at it, I actually thought it was not straight until I stepped back and looked at it, and I was like, wow, it's a good thing I used that ruler, because if I went with just my eyes, darling, it would not have worked. Since this is my first ever Vlogmas, do you guys have any video recommendations that you would like to see me post for you guys, or any ideas, like help your girl out? Because for 25 days of posting, I'm sure I will probably run out of ideas. Like, I'm sure I will. But if you guys would like to see anything in particular, just let me know down below, and I'll see if I can create those or incorporate that in my videos or my vlogs. Thank you. So while I'm putting up my painter's tape, let me just chat with you guys for a minute and let you guys know the backstory on why I procrastinated so long. So the first time I decided to do this TV wall, I actually wanted to use tiling. I saw this beautiful inspo pic that I showed you guys, and it looked like they used like a black marble tiling. I could not find something similar to that anywhere, and I really wanted that tiling. But my husband was like, because this isn't our forever home, maybe we shouldn't stress about the tiling, because I couldn't find it anyway. We shouldn't stress about the tiling. Maybe I can do something different. So I decided to maybe look for it in a wallpaper design, and compromise with the wallpaper. Found the wallpaper, only found one roll in stores, and I actually got them to give me the name of the company and the website where they got the rolls or the wallpaper, so that I can buy it from there. Went on the company's website, nothing, sold out. Went on the company's Amazon website, nothing, sold out. So literally there was only one roll in store, and I can understand why there was only one roll in store. Nobody was chancing buying that one roll because you just can't find the rest anywhere else. So because I was waiting to see if it'll come back in stock, it took me a long time to decide, you know what, let me just try something different. I really didn't want to use black paint on this wall because, like I said, this is not our forever home. We actually was house shopping for a while during the pandemic, and we actually was supposed to buy our house this year, but because the market decided to skyrocket and prices doubled, we decided to sit back and relax for a bit and wait to see if the pricing of houses will go down, because we were actually estimated for the house that we wanted $450,000. That was okay. Went back and was told by our realtor, if we still want that house, we are going to have to at least consider paying double, if not more. So we went from $450,000 to a possible $900,000 home. Bruh, it does not even look like it's worth $900,000. There's no way in hell we was paying that for that house. So we decided to sit back and relax and stay comfortable for a minute because we don't really have to move right now. We decided to just put it off for a while, wait till the prices drop or whatever, however long that may be. We're going to wait for it to drop, and then we're going to go back and check the market prices and see if it is actually in our budget, because that price for a house of that size was just ridiculous. It was a no-go for us. So we put it off. We'll stay here for a while longer, which is okay with me. But while we're staying here, I'm going to make myself as comfortable as possible and create the home that I desire. And I'm so happy that I have a supporting husband that allows me to do this, because I was reconsidering not doing it because, like I said, it's black pink. But he was like, do it. I trust you. I trust your design expertise. Just do it. So this is why we're here right now. If he did not keep encouraging me to do this, I would have probably kept putting it off. But here we are, and I'm hoping that it turns out really nice. Y'all, this paint, 10 out of 10 must recommend. This paint is awesome. It is thick, it is creamy, it is full coverage. If my wall wasn't textured, I'm sure I would only need one coat. And it doesn't have a scent. If my husband didn't come in the room and say he didn't smell this paint, I would not have realized that it was scentless. It doesn't have a smell at all. So if you guys can find this, I don't know if you can find it in the US, but I'm going to place it in the description box down below. If you can find this, definitely give it a try, because it doesn't have a smell, and I find that that is definitely awesome. When I say the texture on this wall is working me hard, that's an understatement. It is so hard to fill in these little cracks, but that's okay. So I'm just going to keep working on this. Y'all, it is only after 1. It's 1:40 in the afternoon, and it's dark outside. It literally looks like after 5 o'clock. But it was always gloomy, I guess, so whatever. But I'm going to pick up where I left off today in tomorrow's vlog. So see y'all tomorrow for more housework and Christmas prep. So peace.